well.
Alright guys, so T minus 2 days until our 3D ultrasound. Good morning everybody!
Good morning, guess what?
What?
We're headed to the 3D ultrasound.
Ooh, today is the day! Road trip just started. We are on our way to meet up with Annie and Keanu, and then from there we've got a 2-hour drive to see our beautiful daughter. So wish us luck, guys! What's up?
What size is our baby right now?
She's about 13 inches long.
The size of a what?
Of a papaya.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
A what?
Papaya.
I don't know what a papaya is. You know what a papaya is?
It's a fruit.
Okay. It's a what?
Fruit.
It's a fruit.
Okay.
Wait, are you past Cantaloupe? Or is that next week?
I think that might be next week.
Oh, is it? I feel like you're way farther.
Size of a papaya. I'm gonna squash next week, and then honeydew towards the end, and then a watermelon at the very end. I've only got 3 more fruits left, baby.
3 more fruits?
3 more fruits left, and then we have a baby.
That's pretty crazy to
They
hear.
say by the time I have the baby, she'll be the size of a watermelon. How far away are we? We're 30 minutes away! What the heck?
We're gonna be there in no time.
That took no time at all. I thought we were gonna sit in this car forever. How are you feeling, Dad?
I don't know what to expect yet.
What?
I mean, I do, but I don't know. I don't know.
You're not excited? You're not nervous?
No,
You're not...
I am nervous. I'm nervous and excited. Just have no clue what to expect.
Okay. And how about you, Kiana? How you feeling?
Let's see what my baby looks like. You know?
Look at that big old belly. Yeah.
Your little one has the feet in the face and not the hands. Let's see if we can see around the feet though.
Oh, look at her foot. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
There's a little profile, there's a little eye, nose, and mouth.
What is it?
Crap.
It's my nose right there.
And then when I turn it this way, you can see the little toes are right on the forehead.
Oh my god. What is going on?
So not even 2 pounds yet. It has cute little rolls.
Oh my god.
Chunky monkey.
He is adorable. Bigger one here. What did I put up like? And then there's the eye opening up again too.
Oh my gosh.
It's insane.
Oh my god.
This whole hurts to
I think-
stick your tongue
I
out.
think she got your lip.
My lips?
Yeah.
You think so?
She does have nice full lips.
Oh gosh, they're probably just
Oh my god. I think she's
She's got a
hungry.
personality.
Get my personality, Goofy.
What?
That's awesome. I'm so happy we caught that. That is too funny.
She's gonna be goofy just like me.
Oh my gosh.
It's just this one.
Pig. Oh, I like that one.
Do you like this one?
Yeah, let's do the piggy.
Hi. She's
Ryan's practicing. Too cute.
It's hard.
I think it's right in the center. Oh, I love that.
Qué linda, Dios la cuide, Isabela.
Dios mío. He has my
I've
nose.
seen something
I
like
told you.
Oh, sí. Oh, shit. Oh. Chica de todo now.
Yeah, do you see her tongue?
Oh.
Everyone's like, what the heck?
She's just hanging in there.
Ryan's being goofy.
So what do you think about your 3D ultrasound today, Annie?
Couldn't really see much.
Couldn't really see much.
Next time. Yeah.